What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be fishing the lake. It's a little bit windy today. That's not good, but I still think we can make it happen. It's pretty sunny today. The weather is nice. I think the fish are going to be out and feeding. Hopefully we don't last a long time like the last time we came out on my kayak to try and catch a fish. The weather is pretty good. Water clarity I think is good, so we should be able to catch some fish. But less talking, more fishing. Let's get to it. All right, everybody, so I've made it out on the water, and the objective for today's video is to compare bandito bugs, well, not bandito bugs, GOOGAN baits versus rage tail. I know they're kind of similar in price. The baits are kind of similar. Sadly, I could not find Kraken crawls in black and blue because that's what I wanted to compare it to. I only have bandito bugs, so it's kind of unfair, I don't know. I can't really tell. You decide in the comments. I'm going to be using rage tail crawls against bandito bugs GOOGAN baits. That's going to be the objective for today, to see which one is better, try and test them both out, see which one works better for today. I like bandito bugs more, GOOGAN baits more, but I know rage tail can be pretty good. Presentation is good, so we're going to test them out today. And the way I'm going to be testing out these baits is giving both baits a timer. I'm going to time how long it takes me to catch one fish on the bandito bug and one fish on the Kraken crawl. We should be able to slay them today. The weather's pretty good, but we're going to see if we can figure them out. For my first option, I'm going to be tying on the bandito bug, and then I'll start the timer once I make the first cast. But drop a comment down below which one you think will win. Also, I forgot to mention, in regards to the giveaway in the last video, the winner will be chosen at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. With that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and tie on this bandito bug, start the timer on the first cast, and see how long it takes us to catch the first fish on the GOOGAN baits. All right, so I've tied on my bandito bug. I'm gonna go ahead and start the timer right now. The timer has started. I'm gonna go ahead and start fishing with this bait. I might fish a little bit deeper because even though it's hot, I didn't see any fish up shallow. And there's kind of always fish hanging out in some of those coves, and I didn't see any. So I'm gonna fish a little deeper, see if I can locate these fish. But yeah, we'll see how long it takes me to catch one fish on the bandito bug. This is going to be a pretty cool little experiment because I know people kind of debate on both companies which one is better as far as catching fish. So today I'll be testing that out. We'll find out at the end of the video, see which one produces more fish. So gonna quit talking, keep fishing, see if I can land any fish. Definitely a bite. Oh no, but that was the first bite of the day that we got right there. Just to give you a time check of how long we've been fishing, I have been fishing for 49 minutes, and that's the first bite I get. I really don't know where the fish are right now, so I'm gonna keep grinding it out. I'm hoping I catch a fish in these coves right here, at least 2 fish. That's my main goal for today, 1 on each bait. So 49 minutes, we got our first bite. Let's see if we can land one though. There we go. I mean, not the perfect cast, but that was pretty good. And I got thumped. I mean, I got murked. There we go. First fish of the day. Let's freaking go. It's all about the cast. You have to make the right cast. Get in the net, bud. Heck yeah, on the bandito bug. All right, let me go ahead and check the timer real quick, see how long that took. 1 hour and 5 minutes to catch the first fish on the bandito bug. I knew that cast was not perfect, but it was pretty close to being perfect, and it's all about the cast, I'm telling you people. There we go, first fish of the day. Not a giant, fought super hard. That's what I love about these fish in the summertime. They fight extremely hard. It's not summertime yet, but it's getting close to that springtime. The weather is warming up and these fish are fighting really hard. So not a bad fish on the bandito bug. Like I said, 1 hour and 5 minutes it took to catch this fish. First fish on the bandito bug. I'm gonna go ahead and switch up to the rage tail and see how long it takes me to catch a fish from that. But let me go ahead and let this fish go. Back in the water he goes. Not bad, so I'm off just fine. That was insane. I literally called it. I was like, that's not the perfect cast, but it's pretty close, and that's gonna be a good cast. So pretty amazing that we caught that fish. I did not think I was gonna catch fish today for some odd reason. It did take a minute, but we made it happen. Gonna go ahead and switch over to the rage tail now and see how long it takes me from there to catch a fish. All right, so right off the bat, I don't like that this bait doesn't have a lot of scent. Kind of just there, you know. What I do like about this bait though, and I wish the GOOGAN baits had this, it has a slot for your hook. That's what I like about this bait. You know, sometimes the slots can be too deep and the hook can be kind of hard to get exposed, but this slot seems pretty perfect. I do like that it's on the crawl. That's one advantage that I think this bait has over the bandito bug. This bait does look pretty similar to a Kraken crawl. It is a different color. I am going to be using a different color. I'm going to go ahead and start the timer here once I make the first cast and see how long it takes me to catch a fish. Went ahead and started the timer. gonna make the first cast. Not a great cast, but we'll roll with it anyway. This is the first cove that I've fished so far. I still have about 3 coves left. We still have quite a bit to fish, so there's a good chance that we're gonna run into another fish. But yeah, we'll see how long it takes. See how long it takes this bait to catch a fish. Overall, so far, presentation looks pretty good. Oh no, I had a fish. I had a fish on. I didn't set the hook. I just reeled really hard. I've been fishing for 5 minutes and I got another bite. I should have set the hook though. I just reeled down really hard and kind of pulled a little, but I didn't set the hook. Oh no, pick it up again, pick it up again, pick it up again, fish. There's a fish running with it. And I couldn't tell because this wind is completely throwing me off. That's a fish. Second fish of the day on the rage tail. There we go. Let's freaking go. Get in the net. Yes. Soaked me, but I'll take it. Soaked the camera. Sorry I got a little bit wet there, but I was just trying to get this fish in the net. I did not think I was gonna catch another fish. Oh my gosh. Let me go ahead and get a time check for y'all real quick. How long have I been fishing? Time check, 59 minutes. 59 minutes. So the rage tail beat the bandito bug by about 6 minutes. About the same size. The hook wasn't even in the fish anymore. I literally got him in the net at the perfect time. Not a bad fish. I think the rage tail will take the dub for today. I just got more bites on the rage tail than the bandito bug, but both baits did pretty good, performed pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and release this fish. Not a bad fish. Put up a fight. Back in the water he goes. I was not expecting to catch another fish. This is literally the last spot that I was gonna try. Alright everybody, that is going to effectively end today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I know I said in the last video I was gonna do a giveaway, and today I'm going to choose a winner. So I'm gonna go ahead and hop on the internet, do a random comment picker, and see who wins. So I already have the URL ready to go, and we're gonna go ahead and choose a random comment. Why would they make this so complicated? Don't know why. Alright, so I figured it out. I'm gonna go ahead and choose a winner. I'm gonna go ahead and click the button, see who won the baits. Kelly O'Neill. Thank you, Kelly O'Neill, for entering the giveaway. You have won the baits. You can go ahead and DM me on Instagram at JJFishes, and we'll figure out how to get the baits to you. But if you entered the giveaway, do not worry. This is not the last giveaway. There's gonna be more to come, so stay tuned for that. But I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. If y'all did, smash the like button. Drop a comment on any suggestions that y'all may have for any other videos. We'll catch you next time on JJ Fishes.